If you have been preparing for the IELTS, PTE or TOEFL test and you are still stuck on a lower band score, then the problem is not you. The problem is not that you are not a native speaker. The problem is you are using a wrong method and a wrong template. You are using the wrong sites for preparation. And if you are yet to start this preparation and you are confused, which method should I use? Which template is correct? Which criteria is the best for all these tests, either IELTS, PTE or TOEFL? Then you need a correct tutor. You need a super tutor who is well prepared, experienced and well educated, who has been doing this for over 5 years now. And that is me, Brian. A super tutor, good for you, who will be able to assess your current level through mocks, through writings, through structures, even the best templates that you are looking for. This is the opportunity for you to chase that dream. IELTS is the easiest test. PTE is the easiest test. And TOEFL is also an easiest test. It should not be a problem why you are not going to study or why you are not going to work in another country. This is the moment to make a change in these examinations, one sitting once and for all. Book your trial and let's meet in the class as we discuss how we shall be doing our lessons. See you in class.